Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review of Mivi Play. It's a 5-watt speaker from Mivi, and I got it from Amazon for the price of just $5.99 during the Great Indian Amazon sale. So whether it's good or not, we have to see in this video. So before we get started with the review, I would ask you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. And let's get started. So this is Mivi's latest speaker, the Mivi Play. They have launched in the market. It's been there in the market for quite some time. I was not able to get my hands on it, but finally I did. And this is the most gorgeous color of the lot, the orange and blue. So here's the box package. In the front, you've got the Mivi branding over here, image of the speaker. It says Play, the name of the speaker. It's got 5 watts of HD sound, powerful bass, and made in India. So this speaker is completely made in India. On this side, it says push the limits. And at the back, you've got some specification. It's got high definition sound, super solid bass with powerful drivers. It's got Bluetooth 5.0, it's splash proof. You can pair 2 of these speakers together. It's got a premium build and it's proudly made in India. Over here it also says engineered and made in India. So let me unbox the speaker for you and I'll be back with its contents. Yes guys, I'm back with the contents. So here is the main speaker unit. You get a welcome card, you get a 1-year warranty card, and you get a user manual. On this side, you've got a micro USB cable, which is this one. It's a small micro USB cable, and you get a small 3.5mm jack cable. And that's about it. So let me keep these things aside and let's bring in the speaker. So here is Mivi Play. It's one of the best 5-watt speaker that Mivi has launched in the market. Yes, there is the Roam 2 which sounds very good, but this is even better. It's got a 5-watt HD sound. It's got amazing colors. This is one of the best colors that they have, the orange and the blue. It looks very nice. And the best thing is this is waterproof as well. So that's the plus feature about this speaker. So over here in the front, as you can see, it's got the Mivi branding over here. You've got the small LED light over here. You've got a microphone for taking calls. Over here, you've got the power button, the play pause button. Over here, you've got a flap in which you've got the auxiliary input and the micro USB port for charging. And mind it, you have to keep it closed because this is a waterproof speaker. It will protect your ports. Over here, you've got a nice blue strap for carrying the speaker. And over here, you've got the minus volume and the plus volume, which also acts as previous song and forward song. So finally comes the battery capacity. The battery capacity of this speaker is 1000 mAh. It takes about 2 hours to completely charge, and the playtime that I got was somewhere around 10 hours at 80% volume. It's not 12 hours as company claims, but it's 10 hours at 80% volume, which is the right volume to play. Otherwise, if you take it at 100% volume, there's a small bit of distortion, but nothing to worry about. But you keep it at 80% volume, it plays like a gem. So before I end this video, let's play some music and you decide whether this speaker is worth it or not. So let's start with turning on the speaker. So keep it pressed for 2 seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Hand.
So it's connected to my mobile device and let's play some music.
Drink. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted, but lately I don't feel the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably worded in fuck of the hell. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh yeah. Rather me dead than to know that I felt. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, only get on my face. I got a taste, while the whole play. Finna get laced if we step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Made for this, yeah, slave for this. Get him down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like.
So now that you've heard the sound quality of the speaker, I am quite impressed, and you will be too, because it's a 5-watt speaker and it sounds really amazing. The bass is awesome, the treble is good, the vocals are absolutely crystal clear, but only thing is that you have to play it at 80% volume, because if you go beyond that, it just distorts a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, but you still won't like it at 100% volume. But if you play it at just 80% volume, it's the perfect amount of loudness and it's amazing at that level. So for the price of just $599, I would say that this one is an absolute go, guys. It's the best 5-watt speaker you can buy for $599. I know there must be some other speakers also available at $599, but this is one of the best. It's waterproof, it's got HD sound, it's absolutely clear, crystal clear, and the price is just great. So this was my review for the Mivi Play 5-watt speaker. It looks very amazing and it sounds amazing too. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notification. I will see you next time in another video. Take care, God bless, and be safe.